The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Putnam County in central Georgia, Monroe County in central Georgia, southeastern Bucks County in central Georgia, Jones County in central Georgia, southern Jasper County in central Georgia, Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Johnstonville to near Russellville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Barnesville, Forsyth, Gray, Monticello, Flavilla, Aldora, Bradley, Wayside, Round Oak, Russellville, Lout, McElhaney's Crossroads, Collier, Juliet, Johnstonville, East Ridge, James, Bowling Grove, Goggins, and Dames Ferry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
A strong thunderstorm will impact